Okay, with this device you can control other devices in your home. What is special is that you can control your home devices from anywhere in the world without any complicated procedures of settings and so on. Only condition for that is you must be connected to your local Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi network anywhere. This device has 4 sockets and 1 button with blue LED. You can switch on or off 4 different devices, such as, for example, lights, lamp, TV, air conditioner, and so on. Now I will show you how this unit works. As a first, you can control your devices with your mobile phone, and also in the same time you can control them with your home assistant, Google Home or Alexa. That means you can, for example, switch on device with Wi-Fi Cloud Control application and switch off same device with voice control using Google Home or Alexa. Hardware is Wi-Fi module ESP8266 Node MCU board 1.0, then relay board with 4 relays, then holder and 4 sockets. Controlling devices was made using Cloud REST IO web server, which is very fast web server, and Wemo switch emulator. I also made Wi-Fi Cloud Control application and home remote application, which you can use for remote setting of your Wi-Fi credential. That means you can scan all accessible Wi-Fi network and choose Wi-Fi network and set up your SSID and password. When blue LED blinking, that means the device is connected to the Wi-Fi network. If you, for example, bring the device in another place, the device will try to connect to the last known Wi-Fi network. If not connect, the device start AP, that means access point mode, creating its own Wi-Fi network with SSID, home, remote and password. Same situation is when you push button if you change credentials of your Wi-Fi network. As a first Wi-Fi module disconnect, then reset itself and go in AP mode, that means in a mode of credential setup. Then open application home remote and set up new Wi-Fi credentials. If you want to use voice control of your devices in your home, you must have Google Home Assistant or Alexa. Now try.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, turn on light 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on light 2.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on light 3.
Okay.
A few
Alexa,
things share that name. Which one did you want?
turn on light 4.
Sorry, I didn't find turn on lights 4.
Alexa, turn on light 4.
Okay.
The same situation is with this application. That's mean, even if these lights turned on with the Alexa voice control, you can turn it off with this application. That's mean this is the way. Connect. This is a feedback information about state of your outputs. If you want to turn off the devices, first, second, third, and fourth. If you want to turn on all devices, just say, Alexa, every light on.
Okay.
Alexa, every light off.
Okay.
Alexa, every light on.
Okay.
And if you want to know state of your devices or in this situation lights, open your application, press connect, and the button shows feedback, in fact, state of the outputs of the devices. If we want to change credentials of our local Wi-Fi network, push this button and this unit go in access point mode. That means it's creating its own Wi-Fi network with SSID and password. Now you can, using this application, you can control and change your Wi-Fi network credentials. Open this application. Its name is Home Remote. Connect. Now we will wait. Application is connected. Now we have a home remote portal for changing and setting of credentials. Configure Wi-Fi. This is all of accessible Wi-Fi networks. Save. Look at this blue button. Blue LED started to blinking. That means the unit is connected to the local Wi-Fi network. Now you can control your devices. Alexa, turn on light 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on light 2.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on light 3.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on light 4.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off every light.
Okay.
And now you can turn one device with Alexa voice control. Alexa, turn on light 1.
That command doesn't work on device light 1.
Alexa, turn on light 1.
Okay.
And open application, connect. You have feedback information about state light 1 if you want to turn off. And that's all.